Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows two cases of blighted ovum, also called an embryonic pregnancy. You can see the first case here, where the duration of the pregnancy is about 8 weeks. This is urinary bladder, and this is the uterus having a gestation sac. But as you can see, there is no fetal pole visible in its interior. The gestation sac is empty. A blighted ovum eventually results in miscarriage. Some women choose to wait for miscarriage to happen naturally, while others take medicines to trigger the miscarriage. In some cases, a procedure called dilatation and curettage is used to remove the placental tissues. You can see the measurement of the gestational sac, and in the duration of the pregnancy is about 7 weeks. 7 week 1 day, and you can see there is no fetal pole, no gestation sac, or no embryo seen inside the gestation sac, which is completely empty. Even the products of conceptions are also invisible, are not present inside the gestation sac. Now, what is blighted ovum? A blighted ovum is a pregnancy where a sac and placenta grows, but a baby doesn't. As you can see in this case, sac and the initial tissue forming the placenta is visible, but a baby is not seen. It is also called an embryonic pregnancy, as there is no embryo that is developing baby. Because a blighted ovum still makes hormones, it can show up to a positive pregnancy test. A blighted ovum is a type of miscarriage that occurs very early in pregnancy, in which the fertilized egg is not able to develop into an embryo after it has attached itself to the uterine wall. A blighted ovum is a type of miscarriage. Often it occurs so early that you do not even know that you are pregnant. A blighted ovum causes about 1 out of 2 miscarriages in the first trimester of pregnancy. A miscarriage is when the pregnancy ends on its own within the first 20 weeks. Again, you can see the gestation sac is empty. Many women complete the blighted ovum miscarriage naturally without intervention. If a woman has already started bleeding but it is stable, a doctor may offer to do a DNC, dilatation and curettage, to clear the uterine lining of tissues. She might also take medicines to help pass the products of conception at home. Blighted ovum bleeding will be something like a period and last for about a week, and you can use pad rather than tampons. By your next period, in about 3 to 6 weeks, all should be back to normal and you can use tampons again. A blighted ovum feels similar to a normal pregnancy at first. That is because the body senses something has implanted into the uterus and continues to produce hormones, including HCG, that cause early pregnancy symptoms. Now you are going to see the other case. In this case, the duration of pregnancy is about 9 weeks. As stated by the patient, she has last menses about 2.5 months ago. That we will rely on our own measurements. It is a cellular or chromosomal failure, this blighted ovum. Second, the ovum is not solely to blame. It is egg and sperm that do not speak to each other. The third is silent miscarriage, also refers to an embryo with no heartbeat. A blighted ovum eventually results in miscarriage. Some women choose to wait for miscarriage to happen naturally, while others take medicine to trigger off the miscarriage. While excessive stress is not good for your overall health, there is no evidence that stress results in miscarriage. About 10 to 20% of known pregnancies end in miscarriage. Now, when the blighted ovum pregnancy loss happens, it might appear as without any symptoms or miscarriage, also known as missed miscarriage, low abdominal pain and cramping, vaginal bleeding, which may indicate spotting or menstrual bleeding. It is possible to detect a miscarriage. Other related terminology include blighted ovum, spontaneous abortion, and missed miscarriage. With no bleeding or cramping, through these symptoms generally follow eventually. Signs of failed pregnancy. Early on, you may also have some common pregnancy symptoms such as fatigue, nausea, and sore breasts. Later, when the hormones level begins to go down, these symptoms will subside and you are likely to have spotting or bleeding. At first, you might notice some reddish brown staining. A woman early in her pregnancy may have a miscarriage and only experience bleeding and cramping for a few hours, but another woman may have miscarriage bleeding for up to a week. The bleeding can be heavy with clots, but it slowly tapers off over days before stopping, usually within 2 weeks. A woman The treatment of blighted ovum. After a pregnancy loss, the placenta and sac need to leave the body. The process can cause pain and bleeding. This can happen on its own, or your body may need help. An empty sac pregnancy is a type of miscarriage, even though the products of conception are still contained within the uterus. If this happens to you, you may be given a choice of letting nature taking its course or having a procedure called dilatation and curettage. Now, if you are past 7 weeks pregnancy, seeing no heartbeat may be a sign of miscarriage. The three treatment options for early pregnancy loss include expecting management, medical management, and surgical treatment. Medical treatment with misoprostol and surgical treatment is considered more effective in the management of an embryonic pregnancy. Now you can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you do like this video. Please click the like button. Thanks.